everybody. So today I decided to visit Mtopa Gardens apartments. Kindly follow me, let's see what they have to offer. Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome once again today to our today's episode for the property show. So today I decided to visit Mtopa Gardens Estate, which is located within Mtopa town. Thank you so much, Tuan Rashid. Tell us more about, maybe you can just introduce yourself and tell us more about Mtopa Gardens Estate.
Thank you very much. My name is Alphon Abu. As she has said, we have a project here. Yeah. It's a massive project. Mm-hmm. It's a project that is on an acreage of 10 acres.
Yeah.
It consists of mansionettes and apartments. Mm-hmm. Yes. So it has 66 mansionettes. It has 93 bedrooms and 15 two-bedrooms. Yeah. So we are doing both rental and selling. Yeah. So it's located in the heart of Mtwapa. That is around 5 to 10 kilometers from Mtwapa Township, mm-hmm. near a place called Coca-Cola. And the Coca-Cola has a curb road paved all the way to the estate. So it's serene, it's beautiful, it's quiet. Yes. So we're doing mansionettes we are selling at 12.5 million. The 3 bedrooms we're doing at 9.5 million. And then the 2 bedrooms at 6 million.
So the mansionette, how many bedrooms does it consist?
The mansionette has 4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms.
Yes, they are all en suite.
Yes.
And then it sits on a 40 by 80 acreage of land. Yes. So right now we are outside one of the mansionettes within the estate, and as you can see, it is spacious enough. Yeah. A 40 by 80, well built, with enough space for 2 car parkings. With enough, there's a backyard outside there, so behind the unit. Yeah. So there's so much space. The walk around area between the walls is also enough. So it's not something that is fully fitted in a 40 by 80 that you cannot to have space to walk around.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting. Maybe to ask, do you have like recreational areas? Maybe swimming pool area, playground area?
Yes, we do have a swimming pool.
Mm-hmm.
This is our swimming pool.
Yes.
This is the big pool here.
I actually love how clean it looks. Yeah.
So actually, I'm glad you said clean, because if you notice, all the way from Coca-Cola, yeah, inside the estate, around the estate, it's all curb-proof.
True.
This is social hall. If you have parties, graduation, wedding, or you are celebrating anything, you can able to use this hall for free, as long as you are a homeowner here or you are a resident here. This is part of the service charge.
Wow.
Yes, it's getting free.
Very interesting.
Is it?
Yeah. Thank
you. We have a place where children can play.
Yeah. We
have ample parking. For instance, we have designated car parkings. For instance, the mansionettes have 2 designated parkings. Mm-hmm. The 3 bedrooms, you get 2 parkings. And then on the 2 bedroom side, you get what we call 1.5 parking. That means you share 1 extra parking per 2 units. Yes.
Wow.
So it's a beautiful place. It's big enough.
Much interesting. And maybe to ask, do you have like a business center, or for instance, I mean, do you have maybe a mini supermarket, shops, or I have to jipanga, maybe I have to do my own shopping from outside or something?
We have all that in-house. We have a convenience shop.
Yes. We
have a barber shop. We have an M-Pesa. I mean, it's all around. You can able to get whatever you want within the estate. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Super.
So we have different payment methods. You can opt to pay cash. Yeah. That's one of. You can do mortgage from your financial institution. Yeah. And usually they process within maybe 2 to 2.5 months. We also have an understanding with some of our partners. I don't want to mention them, but once you're in the office, we can able to refer you to the people that you're working with. And also in-house, we have a payment plan. That is, you can able to do 10% down payment.
Yeah.
The rest of the balance you can pay in 5 years. And
So you
and
can
are a bit
pay as you
flexible.
stay.
Yes.
Ah, nice.
You pay, you move in, then the
Yes.
balance you can able to pay within 5 years.
Ah, nice.
So you see, it's a flexible payment plan.
Yeah.
Anyone can able to take up a unit.
Exactly.
And that cuts across all the units, mansionettes and apartments as well.
Wow.
Yes, yes.
And can I ask something? Can I do, if I maybe have to buy a property here, can I maybe like do Airbnb, or I have to buy and stay it by myself? Like I have to live there, or I can just buy and do business with it?
Well, you can have the two options.
Yes.
Many can buy and rent it out, and there's some who buy it for Airbnb. So, like in the case of an Airbnb,
Yes.
For a 4-bedroom mansionette, we do a rate of around 10,000 to 20,000 on. That is 10,000 on off-peak days, 20,000 on peak days. Yes, and then the 3-bedroom the same, 2-bedroom the same. For a 3-bed, you can able to fetch at around fairly 8,000 per night.
Yes.
A 2-bedroom 5,000 per night. So yes, you can able to. It's a good investment place.
Yeah.
If you're doing it for for stay or for business, it's a good place. Yeah.
So interesting. Yeah.
If anyone is planning maybe to visit the coast region, I recommend Mtwapa Gardens because it's a very nice place. For instance, you can able to have your own compound. You can do your parties there. You are able to access the swimming pool. There is a social hall where you can able to have meetings as well, and also it's accessible to the road near the nearby area. You can able to access the coastal places. That's the beach, the shopping center, and all that.
Yeah.
So it's a place where you can able to get a variety and you can able to enjoy yourself. So for instance, I mean like the mansionettes,
Yeah.
as I mentioned earlier, it's very affordable. 10,000 a night, a 4-bedroom, all in suite, spacious. I don't think no one can beat this offer. So it's something that people need to come and check it out, and
Yeah.
I'm sure they're gonna love it.